Hey, hi. I am Manishil from the batch of 2014 IIT Bombay. This is a story from our Golden Jubilee Convocation celebration in 2012. The context to the story is that for the Prime Minister to come in, he needed three helipads instead of one. And normally, a hotel will serve as a landing point for them. It did not because three helipads were required. So, to cater to him, there were three helipads were built on the sports ground, one on the hockey field, one on the cricket field, and one on the football field. And this was done in 3 days, and the whole ground was destroyed because one helipad was for his car, one was for his commandos, and one was for him. Now, the convocation was nice. The Prime Minister of India gave a amazing speech, but then the repercussions were supposed to be faced by the students. Even after repeated requests to take off the helipads, it took almost 1 month and no response to it to get the helipads removed. And we were getting very close to our inter-IT practice, and we had to get something done. This led to a big group of students, mostly from the sports fraternity, coming together and taking off all the helipad. This led to the sports community activating and coming together to basically dismantle the helipad. And in one night, 70 odd students came in, made a human chain, and we got all the helipad bricks out of the campus, which led to a huge furor in the administration because someone was basically damaging property which was created by them. Uh, the repercussion was the director came to the sports ground, and surprisingly, that was the first time the director had entered the SAC grounds. And from whatever we did, right or wrong, the administration took action, and the helipad was completely dismantled and taken away in 3 days. Even though we had signed off our right to protest when we were joining IITs, this was a big step from all the students who basically risked a lot to do this, because we were very close to the sports ground, we were very close to the sports fraternity, and the apathy from the administration was something which we could not take any longer. This led to this event being there.